The future of the expanding universe. In this video, we are discussing the future of the expansion of the universe. We know our universe is accelerating the rate of its expansion. So, how the universe will end up its expansion? That's the thing we are discussing here. Same as the origin of the universe, there are so many stories and theories about the end too. In it, we will discuss the possibilities of some scientific theories. Essentially, we have the idea of a big crunch like the Big Bang. The idea of a permanent universe is also prevalent. At the same time, the idea of a multiple universe is also possible. We are also discussing the possibilities for a stable universe. But my favorite idea is my own idea, which states the expansion of the universe is undergoing to another Big Bang. That is, a singularity is creating at the center of the universe. A singularity exactly opposite to the Big Bang Singularity. This video is part of a series of videos describing the entire universe. I am starting from the early stages of the universe before the Big Bang. I am discussing the various situations for the formation of the Big Bang Singularity. Then the cause of Big Bang at that particular time is also explaining here. In this video series, I discuss the subsequent Big Bang, the expansion, the structure, and the end of the universe. I illustrate all this with the help of a new concept that I have developed from my studies. So we will check out the possibilities for some scientific theories. One of the most popular of these theories is the Big Crunch. For many people, this is one of the most likely thing to happen at the end of the expansion of the universe. As the galaxies move away from each other, the gravitational attraction between them disappears. This gravitational collapse will destroy the gravitational frame of the universe. Here is a process similar to the Big Bang will take place. All the moving things in the expanding universe will be back to the center of the universe. And there will be form another singularity, and after it will happen another Big Bang. And the things are moving cyclically. But we know that our universe is accelerating its expansion. So there is no chance for a big crunch, because the gravity is not reducing the rate of expansion of the universe. Now we will check the other possibilities. So what is the current state of the universe? At the center of the universe is the absorbed space that is under extreme pressure and the energy within the gravitational frame that wraps it. If the Big Bang was caused by a singularity filled with energy and its own space-time, the opposite things are happening here. What happens here is an interaction between space-time and the energy that wrapped it. So we will check the possibilities for a Big Bang to happen at the end of the expansion of the universe. The current absorbed space at the center of the universe is in a state similar to that of the Big Bang Singularity. Therefore, it can be said that the universe is expanding towards another Big Bang. If the energy was absorbed into the center of the universe when the Big Bang Singularity was formed, then the space-time is absorbed to the center of the universe here. If the value of time was 0 within the Big Bang Singularity, then the time would be 0 here as well. We can also call this as singularity. That is, the universe is evolving from one singularity to another singularity. Here again there will be a Big Bang and the current universe will turn into a singularity again. The Big Bang Singularity was under a lot of pressure and was in an extremely compressed state. Similarly, the space-time singularity can be highly compressed under high pressure. The concept of a compressed space-time singularity is probably hard for many of us to believe, but it is possible in a flexible space-time. As space within the space-time singularity shrinks, space-time within the gravitational frame begin to expand. The pressure within the singularity and the pressure within the visible universe within the gravitational frame create a condition for another Big Bang. This possibility was discussed in my previous videos also. After the Big Bang, the absorbed space-time at the center of the universe becomes free. The gravitational frame of the visible universe will be shattered. The absorbed space-time, which was under a lot of pressure inside the gravitational frame, could move out of the frame now. The force it creates will pull the energy forms that are part of the gravitational frame back to the center of the universe. Stars and galaxies and everything will be pulled back to the center of the universe. The space-time will be completely removed from the center of the universe. This process will start as soon as the gravitational frame breaks. The Planck era, the inflation era, and all other processes we saw in the time of the Big Bang will be repeated here in another form. This process will last for billions of years, will create a new singularity at the center of the universe. Another Big Bang and a new universe. Things keep repeating themselves cyclically like this. In any case, our universe does not seem to be facing a gravitational collapse in the nearest future. The universe will continue its expansion for billions of years more. One thing is for sure, our universe has a permanent center. But in this case, there is another possibility also. One of the main reasons for the Big Bang at that particular time was the imbalance between the ratio of the space-time and the energy of the universe. So if the imbalance reaches at its maximum, there is a chance for the gravitational collapse of the current universe. All these situations are well described in my book, The Key to the Secrets of the Universe. You can see the evolution of the universe from the primordial stage until the destiny of the expansion of the universe in my book. There you can see a lot of new ideas on the expansion and the acceleration of the universe and about the gravitational interaction. I am explaining there how the expansion of the universe is undergoing another Big Bang. You can find the link to the book in the description box. Now we can check the possibility of a multiple universe. The concept itself should be considered in two ways. It has been argued that multiple universes already exist. By this theory, just as the Big Bang happened and our universe came to being, there are the possibilities to create the other universe where Big Bang happened in one or more places. We can never rule out the possibilities of this. We have not yet been able to fully understand what the universe is. We do not know how much energy there was in the universe before the Big Bang, and so we do not know how big the universe was. In any case, certainly all the energy in the universe did not participate in the Big Bang. Then if there are other universes besides ours, they are likely to collide with our universe in the future. This is because the universe is expanding. In any case, we have no evidence of other universes, so it remains as a possibility. We cannot say at this time what will happen if another universe collides with our universe. In any case, we can never control the universe. Another possibility for the multiple universe is in the final stages of the cosmic expansion. After the gravitational collapse at the end of the expansion of the universe, if the big crunch did not occur, our universe would split into multiple universes. When gravity collapses in the universe, the galaxies will naturally lose their attraction to each other. When the gravitational frame of the universe disappears, so does the state of the single universe. So this results in each galaxy becoming as an independent universe. Let us call this as the isolated universe. If the force created by the Big Bang remained, the galaxies would be moving away from each other. Otherwise, they will be evolving into the universes that are constantly in place in a space-time. Now let us examine the possibilities of expanding universe to become a stable universe with the help of an image. Picture the stable universe. This image illustrates the possibility of the formation of the stable universe without a gravitational collapse. Two pictures are here. We have already discussed the first picture in my previous videos. This refers to the absorption of space-time within the gravitational frame of the universe. Here we see that the space-time is more confined to the center of the universe. Space-time at the center of the universe is subject to more pressure. Here is something we need to understand. Space-time is just as important as energy. Space-time also has as many characteristics and properties as energy. Unfortunately, more of what we are trying to understand is just about the energy. For me, space-time is also some kind of energy. It may say to be the counterpart of the energy. We need to learn more about the space-time. Perhaps the dark energy that we are looking for is the absorbed space-time into the universe. In any case, the role of space-time in the expansion of the universe is not small. As the expanding universe moves away from its center, the gravitational strength over the universe will decrease. This will help the space-time at the center of the universe to survive the pressure. It allows the space-time to expand further into the center of the universe. The second picture illustrates this. This is a situation that is likely to occur if the rate of cosmic expansion slows in the distant future. At this point, the universe, which is trying to keep the gravitational frame intact, pushes the absorbed space-time further into the center of the universe. The gravitational frame of the total energy of the universe creates situations to reduce its thickness due to the push of the absorbed space-time from the center of the universe. As it expands slowly at this stage, this process helps to keep the universe within the gravitational frame. When the expansion of the universe finally ends, it will be safe within the permanent gravitational frame. As the universe ceases to expand, so does the absorption of the space-time within it also going to end. Then a permanent universe will form which cannot undergo any changes again. This is a possibility that could eventually occur in the evolution of the universe. We have discussed that much about the evolution of the universe, so I would like to move on the next topic, and thank you for watching my videos.